In this video, we're going to show you to install the rear shocks on your Dodge Charger located behind your rear wheels. Using a 22mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Grab the wheel and remove it, set it aside. On the lower portion of our control, we have our shock nut and bolt here. We're going to use an 18mm socket on the nut side and a 15 on the bolt side. Loosen and remove this. And on the top of our shock here, we have two 16mm bolts. We're going to use our swivel head extension. Using a 15mm socket, let's loosen and remove the center nut here. Now, if the stud itself is spinning, you can put a wrench on there and just hold the end with some pliers. So you go ahead and remove the upper mount. Now, if you inspect this here and find that this is all split, dry rotted, and you need a replacement, you want to go ahead and source one of those out, and you're just going to reverse the installation. Slide that on, install the nut, and you want to tighten this down. And you just want to tighten that down. Grab your impact and just tighten that down. Feed the lower portion of the shock into the lower control arm. Squeeze the strut down or the shock down. Feed that up into the body. Go ahead and take your bolts. You definitely want to get these started by hand. Run them in several threads here. We don't want these to cross thread. Repeat for the other side. Go ahead and snug these down. You want to make sure that those are good and tight. Now we're going to put our pole jack underneath the control arm here. We're going to lift it up just a little bit. Now, if you reach up and grab that shock, you can swing this over. You can see where we need to line up for that hole. Now I'm going to put the bolt through the front. I might have to move that around a little bit. And you might have to lower that jack just to get that to line up and come through. Once that's through, we can go ahead and lower our jack. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. Torque down the lower bolt here to 96 foot-pounds. Torque the upper bolts here to 46 foot-pounds. Go ahead and grab your wheel. Set that into place. I'm going to go ahead and install all of our lug nuts. Thread them all, and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. Torque down your lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds. We're going to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.